Hello, my name is Martha Rodriguez, and I am the AP Spanish teacher here at Reagan High School. This year, I am also a Spanish 3 teacher, and I am so excited about the new adventure. Welcome to Texas 147. I would like to share with you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Guatemala. I have lived in San Antonio for the last 14 years, and this is my 5th year here at Reagan High School. If you would like to contact me, please send me an email at mrodri30@neisd.net. Just a few things about each one of my classes. For my AP Spanish and Language Culture, I would like to tell you that I have created a digital classroom to keep all the content there for them and to make sure they cover all the material needed for the AP exam. The exam for this class will be on May the 11th, 2020. For my AP Spanish Literature and Culture as well, I have this digital classroom with all the content they will need. The exam for this class is on May 7th, and we will be ready. For my AP Spanish 3, my main goal this year is for them to feel like they can speak more of the language, and I will have some projects for them, and we'll be coaching them to help them reach their goals. And there will be a lot of projects, but again, I am so excited about having your child with me this year. I'm also the National Spanish Honor Society sponsor, and I would love to have your child as a member if he or she is not yet. So I will be sending out information coming up in the springtime. One more time, to contact me, the best way is sending me an email to mrodri30@neisd.net. Thank you.